So guys, I got this air duster and I was like, do I really need that? Yes, it does so much. The inside of my car, the different spots that you can reach with this, the computer, oh my gosh. Then I had air conditioner issue and we use this on it and it works. It's so strong. Let me show you. There's two buttons here. Hit the first one, you hold it down for 3 seconds, it comes on. That's the lowest setting. It comes with all these attachments with it. Yes, very powerful. This is awesome. It's right in the palm of your hand. It's super light, super powerful. Air duster. I didn't know I needed it. I needed it. I needed it.